what do you think of this, the decision of the president to keep the vice president as education secretary?
Well, from a political perspective, parang feeling ko, i-expect natin yan. Kasi imagine if tinanggal ni PBBM si VP Sara as DepEd Secretary, for sure yung mga DDS, grabe yung magiging galit. No? So I guess nire-recognize pa rin ni PBBM yung political weight na dinadala ni VP Sara sa political circus na to. On the other hand, kapag si VP Sara naman yung nag-resign, syempre parang siya naman yung sumurrender dito sa battle between BBM and the DDS. Kaya parang yan yung stalemate position natin ngayon. Nandyan si VP Sara sa DepEd habang tayo may hinaharap na education crisis.